Kyle Whitney with the City of Marquette, and we are here today with Marquette City Assessor Miles Anderson. Thanks for being here, Miles.
Thanks. It's a pleasure to be here.
So what topic are you hoping to discuss here today?
We're going to be talking about the proper filing of the 2015 personal property statements today.
Okay. And what's the first thing that you want owners of personal property in the city to know?
Contrary to the understanding of many taxpayers, the new personal property exemption does not provide for the complete exemption of business personal property.
Why is that?
Those businesses with less than $80,000 true cash value of personal property, either owned, leased, or used by them or any related entity within the City of Marquette, could qualify for the exemption.
Okay, in that context, who or what is considered a related entity?
Well, the State Tax Commission has defined the term related entity to mean a person that directly or indirectly controls, is controlled by, or is under the common control with the person claiming the exemption.
I know there are different classes of personal property. What classes of personal property specifically does this exemption apply to?
This exemption applies only to the commercial and the industrial class, not the utility property.
As an owner of personal property, how do I go about claiming the exemption for 2015?
Well, the first step they would do is they would complete the personal property form that we sent to them several weeks ago. They would then use the depreciation schedule multipliers that are supplied in the personal property form. And if the true cash value of those assets on the front of the form, on the bottom right-hand side, is less than the $80,000 of true cash value, they would then file the Form 5076 with the assessor's office.
As a business owner, if I don't have that Form 5076, how can I go about getting that? Can I just come into your office, or is it available online?
Yes, you could come to the assessor's office and pick up the form. You could also look on the city's website, and you could also look at the State Tax Commission website. They would have the form as well.
Well, I know we have a period of time before taxes are actually due. Is there a special deadline for the 5076 form?
Yes, the 5076 form must be received by the assessor's office by February 10th.
And what happens if I haven't filed it by February 10th?
If you don't get the form in by February 10th, then it cannot be processed. Even if you were eligible to receive the exemption, you will not receive the exemption.
What about property owners with eligible manufacturing property? Is that something that needs to be thought about this year?
Manufacturing property should be looked at this year specifically by checking box number 1. And you can take a look at box number 1, and if that would apply to you, you could then file an additional form if necessary, Form 5201.
Okay, and why should manufacturing personal property owners follow those guidelines? Are there further changes coming down the pipe?
Right. Starting in the year 2016, manufacturing property will be phased out over an 8-year time period. So the proper accounting of that property that you're not going to be assessed on is necessary for us to take a look at on a yearly basis.
All right. Well, this whole process seems a little complicated, I think, to the layman. I guess in closing, is this something that you hope to do on a routine basis, these tax updates?
Yes, as more information comes out specifically about the Michigan manufacturer's exemption, we'll be putting together more videos for the public so they can properly understand the filing of the personal property statements.
Thank you for watching our brief explanation of personal property tax exemptions for 2015. We were with City Assessor Miles Anderson. Should you have any questions, you can visit our website at mqtcty.org. Thanks.